Hey guys, it's Tony. Good morning. A lot of people were telling me that tech was tech was up on futures, and I saw tech was actually up. The only thing that kind of worries me is I mean, even looking at this naked chart, it looks like Tesla's gonna be creating a top today and dropping back down. To be honest, and I haven't even done TA for this, right? Like just looking at the naked chart, 675, 680. Yeah, it looks like. I mean, I think Tesla. I mean, it does look like, just looking at the chart here, like naked. It looks like Tesla might be creating a top here at 681, at this previous resistance, right? From what is it, from before, like 682, 670, like around that level. And I think we might drop from here, man. Like I don't know. Like it doesn't seem like we're gonna run up, because even Tesla, like pre-market, tends to move more than 10%, and I think that, I don't know, man. It doesn't look good, to be honest. Just looking at the chart, like it looks like we're going down.